Looking for the best engine air filter that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best engine air filter that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Cannon Engine Air Filter. The Cannon Advantage Plus air filter stands out as a dependable upgrade for drivers seeking long-lasting engine protection and consistent performance. Built with premium, durable materials, it delivers up to 18,000 miles of reliable use, 50% longer than many standard 12,000-mile filters. Its advanced filter media offers up to 99% filtration efficiency, helping keep harmful contaminants out of the engine while supporting smooth airflow. The extended replacement interval reduces maintenance frequency, making it a practical and cost-effective choice for everyday highway driving. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this air filter combines durability, excellent filtration, and convenience, making it an ideal option for vehicle owners who value both engine protection and long-term reliability. Next up is 4-quart engine air filter. This air filter kit is an excellent maintenance upgrade for compatible Toyota and Lexus models, offering both engine and cabin filtration in one convenient package. The advanced HV filter paper captures up to 99.9% of dust, pollen, hair, and other airborne contaminants, helping protect the engine while improving cabin air quality. With an impressive service life of up to 20,000 miles, these filters last significantly longer than many standard alternatives, reducing replacement frequency and overall maintenance costs. The inclusion of 2 filters provides added value, making it a practical choice for long-term use. Installation is straightforward thanks to its OEM-compatible design, ensuring a precise fit for supported non-hybrid vehicles. Whether you're addressing reduced AC performance, unpleasant odors, or maintaining optimal engine efficiency, this filter kit delivers dependable performance, durability, and excellent value for routine vehicle maintenance. Coming in at number 3 is Zeron Engine Air Filter. This 2-in-1 air filter kit is a practical and cost-effective solution for maintaining both engine performance and cabin air quality in compatible Toyota and Lexus gas models. By replacing the engine and cabin filters at the same time, it helps protect critical engine components from dust and debris while ensuring cleaner, fresher air inside the vehicle. The OEM-compatible design provides a precise fit, making installation quick and hassle-free without requiring any special tools, and most users can complete the job in about 5 minutes. Its broad compatibility with popular non-hybrid Toyota and Lexus models adds to its convenience, while the quality construction offers reliable filtration and dependable performance for everyday driving. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or restoring airflow and efficiency, this filter kit delivers excellent value, simplifies servicing, and helps keep your vehicle running smoothly and comfortably. Now number 4, Servcatur Engine Air Filter. This replacement air filter kit is an excellent choice for owners of compatible Toyota and Lexus gas-powered vehicles looking for reliable, OEM-quality performance. Designed to replace both the engine and cabin air filters, it helps protect the engine from harmful dirt and debris while improving the quality of the air circulating inside the cabin. The extensive compatibility with popular models such as the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, Avalon, RX, NX, ES, and TX makes it a convenient maintenance solution for many drivers. Matching multiple OEM and interchange part numbers ensures a precise fit and straightforward installation without modifications. For best results, confirming vehicle compatibility before purchase helps guarantee the correct fit. Overall, this filter kit delivers dependable filtration, restores airflow, supports efficient engine operation, and enhances cabin comfort, making it a smart and cost-effective option for routine vehicle maintenance. And finally, our last pick is ARV Golf Engine Air Filter. This air filter kit is a dependable replacement option for compatible Toyota and Lexus gas-powered vehicles, combining effective engine protection with improved cabin air quality. The engine air filter features a high-fiber filtration design that removes up to 99% of airborne contaminants, helping maintain optimal airflow and supporting efficient engine performance. The multi-layer cabin air filter effectively traps dust, pollen, and other suspended particles, creating a cleaner and more comfortable driving environment. Its low-resistance construction promotes smoother airflow, which can reduce engine noise and vibration while allowing the air conditioning system to operate more quietly. Installation is quick and straightforward, making routine maintenance easy even for first-time DIY users. With OEM-compatible dimensions and reliable filtration performance, this filter kit offers an excellent balance of quality, convenience, and value, making it a smart choice for keeping your vehicle running efficiently and your cabin air fresh. So those were the top 5 best engine air filter you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.